Hey everyone! In this video, we will show you how to view multiple charts or windows in Tradingview. This setup is great for comparing time frames, tracking different symbols, and making our trade analysis better. Let's get started. Multiple windows or charts in Tradingview let us view, analyze, and monitor several charts at the same time in one browser tab or in separate application windows. This feature helps us compare different time frames, assets, or indicator setups side by side, making technical analysis easier. Now, let's go through the steps together. Even if you are new, you can follow along. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once we are on the main page, log into your account. After logging in, go to the Products section at the top of the page. Under Products, you will see Super Charts. Now, let's click Super Charts. Here, we will see a single chart. We can view market activities, the flows, the ups and downs, profits, and losses. We can also see stocks, indexes, and futures in this section. To see multiple charts, go to the upper right corner. There is a box there. This is the key to using multiple charts or windows. Click this and choose the layout you want. There are 16 types to choose from. You can also sync the layout here, including symbols, intervals, time, and date range. Set these as you prefer. All we need to do is click this option. Please note, only premium users can use the multiple screen or multiple windows feature. Premium users have access to these actions. With multiple charts or windows in Tradingview, we can analyze several time frames or different assets at the same time, helping us make better decisions. This layout supports up to 8 charts, allowing synchronized symbols, time, or updates to increase efficiency. By viewing different time frames and markets at once, we get a clearer perspective and can make smarter trading decisions. Multiple charts help us spot trends, confirm interests, and avoid trading against the bigger picture. Take time to customize your layout, practice reading each chart, and keep things simple.